Okay, guys, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is phone to HDTV cable, Lightning, Micro, and Type C, meaning it supports both iPhone, Type C phone, and the USB type of phone. This is very easy to use, and I can bet it's not your usual. The main reason why this is being produced is for people that their TV is not smart TV. If your TV is not a smart TV, you don't have to panic. You don't have anything to worry about. So far you have a smartphone. You can as well do what smart TV are doing with your smartphone and with your normal TV. It's so easy. I repeat, it's so easy. You'll be glad you come across this particular video because at the end of it, you are going to learn so many things, even the things you never believe existed. All what you need to do is just to follow my channel, please, so you could be seeing all this. It's a 3-in-1 device, as I earlier said, meaning it can work for the 3 types of phone which you know. It doesn't matter the kind of charging port it has. This device, it's so nice, and I bet you it's not your usual. It's not the usual device you think that existed. Don't go and throw your normal television away with the plans of getting a smart TV. You can as well do what smart TV are doing with your own normal television. Yes, that is it. So all what you need to do is to plug this HDMI. This one here is HDMI. You plug it to your television. Then this other one, you plug it to your charger. This other side, you plug it to your phone. Meaning this thing can be used even when your phone is still being charged. When you are plugging your phone on the lights, it will be charging. This is exactly how the connection will look like. The first one is your charger, second one is your television, and the third one is your phone or your laptop or any device you want to use and be casting the screen. Since your TV cannot cast screen or watch Netflix or YouTube directly, meaning you can be showing this on your phone and it will be displaying on your TV very comfortably. You have nothing to worry about. This is made for almost all the iPhones. It's not even almost all the iPhones and all the phones you know. iPhone X, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12, all the iPhones and all the iPads, including HTC phones, Redmi phones, all of them. It works for all the phones. This is how it works with. It supports Android 5.0 and iOS 8.0 and above. It's not only just that, okay? This is how it look like. This is the HDMI. This is the HDMI which you will plug to your phone, and this other side will be plugged to your charger head. Yes, and this one will be going directly to your phone. When all these are plugged, meaning your phone will be charging at the same time displaying something on the TV. Whatever you want to be watching on your phone, it will be displaying on the TV. Even if you are watching YouTube or Netflix or whatever thing you are watching. Let's see how the connection goes. This is the charger head. I mean where you will plug the charger to, where you plug the device to. And this is where you plug it to in your television as well. It has already been plugged to the television. You will see at the back of your TV. Then you plug the charger part of it. When you plug it, it has been plugged. Then this one goes directly to your phone. If you are this particular phone we are connecting is USB. Okay, I'm using one hand to make the video. Someone just have to help me to plug it. Okay, you will see how it works. It will require you to download the app which will be used in displaying this. It's very simple. Okay, we are skipping that particular version first. Let's just play the video. After connecting directly, let's play the video and you'll see it will not play. It will not display. Why? Simply because the app was not downloaded. We just have to skip downloading the app. And when it is properly done, when you connect your HDMI, you just have to pick up your remote, select HDMI, remove it from the AV, select HDMI, either HDMI 1 or 2. This is exactly the connection you had on the paper.
Okay.
The connection I showed you on the paper, it's displaying exactly like that in the TV now. Okay, look at this. See the barcode. Had it been your phone was not bringing up an option to download the device, the app which you will use in installing this, you will just have to scan this code. If you are using Android phone, you scan this. For iPhone, you scan this other one. Yes. After completely scanning it, it will show the app which you are required to download. You will just need to download the app. It's no stress at all. All what you just need is to download the app. After downloading it, you allow the app to do whatever you want it to do. Okay. After all said and done, let's unlock the phone now. We are going to download the app now. Look at it. It has bring up the option.
Start now.
Run it.
Yeah.
We click on it for the app to download. It has been downloaded and installed.
Just look for any.
As you can see, whatever we have on the phone there is displaying on the TV as well. Imagine. Are you not surprised? This is pure technology. Please do well to follow my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel, please. If you know you want to be seeing more video like this. If you want it to show on the full screen, you know what to do already. You turn your phone. After you turn your phone, it will display completely exactly how it's displaying on your phone. It's that simple. Please follow my YouTube channel for more tech videos like this. It's very simple. Yeah. What